Managing autoplay video previews on your iPhone 16 helps you control whether videos automatically start playing in apps, giving you a more controlled browsing experience. Here's how it's done. To begin, head over to the home screen by swiping up from the bottom of your iPhone's current display. From the home screen, tap on the settings icon. Once you're in the settings menu, scroll down and tap accessibility. In the accessibility settings, locate and then tap motion. Now scroll down and select autoplay video previews. Finally, toggle the switch next to it to turn the feature on or off. Enabling or disabling autoplay video previews on your iPhone determines whether videos automatically start playing when encountered in apps or on web pages. It also allows you to control data usage and prevent unexpected video playback, saving data and preserving battery life while potentially improving browsing speed. And that's it. Please subscribe to this channel if you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.